Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got the Olympia SM-9 on the bench here. Just kind of did a complete clean and service on this. Came out very nice. It was a little bit rough. That's the serial number on that guy right there. And cleaned up pretty good. Needed a nice clean and service job. It's been a while on this one, but everything's been cleaned up here very nice. Pretty much back to square one, but we're going to put a ribbon on this today because this is a little different than the SM-8 that I did another video on. This is an SM-9. Let's pull the lid off this thing. So I'm going to take this whole lid all the way off so I can get the camera in here a little better. Set that aside here. So yeah, it does have just a 2-spool ribbon here, and we're going to put a black and red ribbon on here instead. So let's just do that. Let me get the camera angle up here a little bit, like this maybe. And let's just pull this guy off here. And let me do a little before and after test print first. Just back on here. Take a look and see how she's printing before and after. Printing, but I think the new ribbon is a lot darker. So this got a chemical flush here in the segment. The type are shiny as could be here. Everything is cleaned up good on this typewriter. Let's pull the ribbon off here. I'll take it out of the guide here. Pretty much just got these little flappers you move out of the way, and the primary thing that gets missed on this machine is the ribbon reverse arms are right here. A lot of arms are right here about this position, but this one is way back here on this post. There's one on each side way back right there, and this ribbon in particular doesn't necessarily need eyelets to switch the ribbon back and forth. The tension at the end of the spool will do it. It was going to pull this arm tension-wise. It's going to pull it off. So, getting the ribbon out here. Nice black and red. Nice thing. Good quality plastic spools. Black on top. This just turns the same way like this. So, key factor is getting that ribbon on the outside of that arm there, and then pull it around to the other side, and we're going to put it around that arm. So as long as it's around these forks right here, or these little arms, it will reverse. So let's put it in the vibrator here, get this thing fed through here. Trying to get this going to raise this up by putting a couple type bars up like that. That way we can see the ribbon lift a little better. Get this in place like that. Right there, just like that. So now this should pull right through. Up and down. Let's see how this works. That's a little better, don't you think? So, to make sure the ribbon is reversing right, all you have to do, well, we'll use this side here. So we're going to type on it until that little arm triggers right here. So it's turning that way now. We're going to reverse it by going like that. So now it's going this way. So this ribbon does have an eyelet in it. It doesn't really matter. The eyelet's going to come right around that post, and it's going to wait until it tightens up, and it's going to reverse. So just wait for it. It should be coming out there pretty quick. It actually just reversed. The eyelet actually caught this arm and reversed it. A lot of times that will fly past that arm. Something like that. See that ribbon right there? The eyelet. But just fine. When it gets tight here, it's going to reverse and go back the other way by itself. There it goes. So with this particular model, you can leave that eyelet in there with no problem. It won't hurt anything. Or you can get a ribbon with no eyelet and it will still work. Oops. Alright. Phoenix Typewriter, good day.